You scrub that yellow ring at the bottom of your toilet bowl every single week, and it fades for a day before creeping right back. That's not your toilet brush being too weak. It's because hard water minerals bond with the porcelain surface itself, sitting below the waterline where regular bowl cleaner barely makes contact. There are 4 ways to actually dissolve that mineral bond instead of just scrubbing the surface, and the cheapest one costs 40 cents and works while you sleep. The oldest chemical process behind it dates back to World War I. Stay with me to the end, because I'm walking through exactly what breaks that stain down for good. Toilet bowl cleaner brands profit from formulas designed for surface bacteria, not the mineral deposits actually causing that yellow ring, which is why the stain always returns within days no matter how hard you scrub. Hydrogen peroxide's oxidizing power has been documented since its industrial production scaled up in the early 1900s, and that's exactly the kind of specific, permanent fix a billion-dollar toilet care industry has no incentive to point you toward over their weekly use bowl cleaner. Fix number 1. Hydrogen peroxide overnight soak. About 40 cents per treatment from a $2 bottle. Pour 1 cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide directly into the bowl, focus it around the waterline ring, let sit for 8 hours or overnight. Peroxide's oxidizing reaction breaks down the calcium and mineral compounds bonded to porcelain at a molecular level, a process refined industrially since hydrogen peroxide production scaled up during World War I. Scrub lightly in the morning, and the loosened mineral layer lifts away with minimal effort. Fix number 2. Hydrogen peroxide and baking soda paste, about 35 cents per application. Mix 4 tablespoons baking soda with 2 tablespoons hydrogen peroxide into a thick paste. Apply directly to the stained area with a toilet brush or old toothbrush. Let sit 30 minutes. The combined reaction outperforms peroxide alone on stains that have set for over 6 months, since the baking soda adds mechanical abrasion the liquid version can't. Here's the mistake almost everyone makes: flushing right before applying peroxide. Fresh water dilutes the concentration below the waterline immediately, cutting its effectiveness by roughly half. Let the bowl sit unflushed for a few hours first if the water level is high. Fix number 3. Hydrogen peroxide combined with pumice stone, roughly $6 for a stone that lasts years. For stains that have calcified into a hard mineral crust, apply peroxide first to soften the deposit for 15 minutes, then gently scrub with a wet pumice stone. Pumice is softer than porcelain, so it won't scratch the glaze the way steel wool or abrasive pads can. While still breaking apart hardened mineral buildup, peroxide alone can't fully lift. Fix number 4. Peroxide tablets for maintenance, 10 cents per tablet, dropped in weekly after the initial deep clean. Once the ring is gone, a single effervescent hydrogen peroxide tablet dropped in before bed prevents new mineral bonding from accumulating, keeping the bowl at the stain threshold instead of letting buildup restart from zero. This won't remove rust stains from iron-heavy well water, which need a separate acidic treatment like citric acid instead. Deeply etched porcelain that's already lost its glaze from years of abrasive scrubbing also won't fully return to its original shine, no matter how long you soak it. Under $1 total for a full treatment versus $8 to $12 per bottle of specialty toilet bowl cleaner, you'll rebuy every month with no lasting results. If this finally explains why that ring keeps coming back, hit that like button. It tells me what to break down next. Subscribe to the channel if you want more of these. Drop a comment telling me how bad your water is where you live and which fix you're trying first. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. Stay sharp out there.